You want to have a good airflow over this case. But this is one of the downsides of this case, that because of the airflow of this, it doesn't actually allow airflow over the motherboard. So there's nothing really blowing over the VRMs, only the fans in there because of this like laid down configuration. It kind of blows over it and then out from the top, and all the warm air comes out from the back. But that's like not ideal for motherboard. It would be much better in a conventional like intake from the side, blows over the motherboard and then out from the back. That type of airflow would be much better for the motherboard and, you know, VRM temperatures. So a few very important tips when you're thinking about building this.